Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an amethyst farm in Minecraft. So all you need for an amethyst farm is, of course, first you need to find an amethyst geode. Make sure you have a silk touch pickaxe and a regular pickaxe if you want some amethyst shards as well as clusters. Look at the amethyst blocks and look at the ones that have the little X pattern in the middle of them. So basically, these are budding amethyst blocks, and this is where amethyst clusters will grow out of. And what you're gonna do is try to free up all sides of the budding amethyst. All of the clusters will regrow from these blocks as long as you don't break them. Unfortunately, you can't use a silk touch pickaxe to pick up a budding amethyst. I will actually use this block right here as an example to show you, and as you can see, nothing dropped. That's because it is now broken and there's no way to get that block back. And what you're gonna do is do this for every single budding amethyst that you see. And this process is pretty much just very tedious, very repetitive, but it's worth it if you want to actually have as many clusters as possible. And yeah, you're basically just going to want to do this until all you have left are the budding amethyst blocks. It just makes it so much easier to find the clusters if all you have in the geode are budding amethyst blocks instead of regular plus budding. That's why it's nice to go through and empty it out. And who doesn't want as much amethyst as you can get, right? And yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye guys!